Ni itua riahota gukorwo rikihinyiriria atongoria na andu angi kwaga kuheo ugitiri riria mundu akinyio igoti-ini. Kuringana na ndumiriri ya munene wa borithi Hillary Mutiyambai kuri nyumba cia mohoro, thirikari ndirikoragwo igikuua ngarama ya kuhe mukurwo wothe ari mutongoria kana mundu ungi wothe uria wanyitwo kana gwiciririo na mahitia ugitiri. Maya mokite oriri abunge maugite ni matunyitwo arangiri yao na kurio maneane marua ma mucinga yao na mucinga yao. Umwe wao ari mumbunge wa Bahati Kimani Ngunjiri.
They have instructed me to kurudisha bunduki zangu. My gun, my license nirudishe. I have my gun from 1992 up to now. No offense I've done with my guns. And I've been harassed. Maybe they have wameshindwa ku access mimi. That's why they want to pull out my guns so that they can access me to kill me. And I'm ready. And I won't talk Kenyans. They have asked me to take everything. I'm left naked. My security is you Kenyans. And if you miss me, follow my statement.
Kurumirira mukaana uyu wa munene wa borithi ni kuonania amwe atongoria aria mari na macira igoti-ini mahota kwehererio arangiri yao angikorwo matiehereirio. Amwe atongoria aria mari na macira ari hamwe na gavana wa Nairobi Mike Sonko, gavana wa Migori Okoth Obado, gavana wa Kiambu Ferdinand Waititu, gavana wa Samburu Renol Kural na mumbunge Moses Kuria. O ni kugati mumbunge wa Embakasi East Babu Wino kwambiriria umuthi ndegukorwo na arangiri nginyagia riria cira wake ugathira o ndumwe na gutunywo mucinga wake. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wang'ombe wa Maina.